Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on what I got from Senreve. So they sent me this pendant for my Senrevversary of my first purchase. So I got the one in Ponte Vecchio, which means Old Bridge in Italian, and it says Amore Florence on it with a bridge, and on the other side it says Senreve. So you can wear this as a necklace, or you can attach it to your bag. It's really pretty. It came with this really nice dust bag, and then also came with this really nice satiny jewelry pouch. It says Senreve on this side. Has a magnetic closure, and it's got a couple pockets. It's got one big pocket on this side, another big pocket on this side, and then it's got three little tiny pockets here. You could use it for rings or earrings. You just have to be careful, make sure they don't fall out because it only has the magnetic closure on the bottom. So that's what it looks like attached to a bag. Kind of gives it a little more of an elegant, classy look to it. They have this in two other designs, Octopi and the Golden Gate Bridge, and it retails for $55 US. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.